Hello everyone, welcome to my new video tutorial. Today I will show you the basics of mesh painting in Unreal Engine. So let's get started. First in first, we need some object that we are going to paint on. I create some simple wall before in the 3D Studio Max. Here it is, let's rename it and place it in the scene. One important thing is that the mesh should be quite dense. If you have low poly model and would like to paint or use vertex painting, you need to select the mesh in the 3D program. 3ds Max, Blender, doesn't matter. Now we are going to create very basic vertex painting material. We have to start with the simple material. Yes, just rename it. Let's open the material. And now we have to find a specific node, vertex color node. And we need to connect it to the base color slot. Save it. And let's go to editor. So our vertex painting material is ready. We can drag and drop it to the material slot of the wall. And we need to switch the editor to the mesh paint mode. Now click on the change color view mode to the RGB channel, change the paint color, and we can start to paint on our wall. This is basically painting the material mask. Okay, now you see how the basic vertex painting is working. For our lesson, I think we need some brick texture and concrete. So I found something free and good looking at the internet. Now I will use the Materialize application to create a normal map and ambient occlusion map. We need to just the three textures: the base color, normal, and ambient occlusion. Take a look at how I'm creating it in this software. Now I will create the automatic seamless tile map. It's very nice feature of this software. We are going to need only base color, normal, and ambient occlusion map, so I'm deleting the height map. So our textures of bricks is ready, so I'm saving it. Now I'm going to create the concrete map, concrete text set of textures the same way. So our concrete texture is ready, so we can save. Now let's create our textures folder and import new textures. For now, just the base color. Next, we need to open the material and drag and drop the textures workspace. Do not delete the vertex color node. We need to create a new node called LERP. It's linear interpolation. Take it to the base color. And first texture to first channel and second texture to the second channel. And connect vertex color to the alpha channel. Now let's see how it looks in the editor. We have to turn off the channel preview mode. We can see that the textures are visible. I will remove the previous mask with the shift button. We can see the brick base. We need to change the color to the white. And now we can paint the concrete on the brick wall. I can see that the tilings of the textures is too big. We can change the material. We need to texture coordinate node. Connect it to the UV channel of the texture. I will set the tiling for 4. And concrete, just duplicate the node. And let's see how it looks in the editor. Yeah, I save it. It's much better. I think the tiling of the concrete is too big. I will adjust that. Yeah, 2, I think it will be enough. So it works. Now we can paint. Now I'm using Shift to remove the layer. Yeah, it looks pretty realistic, but the texture is flat. We need to add the normal map. Let's import the rest of the textures. Okay, now we can open the material. And let's duplicate all this structure which we create for base color. Just select Ctrl C, Ctrl B. Now I can replace the textures with normal maps. Yes, now can see. Now we can see that the texture looks much better. And let's add some ambient illusion. We will do the same, just select and copy paste of the structure and replace the textures. Yes, it looks a little bit better. But I think the material is a little bit too shiny. I will increase the roughness value. Yes, looks much better, much more contrasting. Because the paint, and here we can reduce the brush size just to paint a little bit more details. So that's all, folks. I think you learned something about the basics of the vertex painting. I hope you enjoyed the lesson and see you next time.